Welcome everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video you will learn how you can easily create a server on Discord. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just click here on plus. And when you have it, oh, another server, huh? So you want to create a server. First, what you want to do is just choose a server name and call it, I don't know, this is the way. Click on your change icon to create a different, I don't know, I have this Mandalorian here, so I'm going to have profile picture of Yoda. This is the way. And now I'm going to create small baby Yoda. So yeah, first what you can do is to invite friends to this is the way. I have a friend here, I'm not going to invite him yet, or you can send a server invite. This is also a really good way how to, so people can join. Now, okay, so this is it. First, what you can do is also add text channels and write like 1 to 3, or add voice channels. Again, same stuff. Yoda. So when you have it, you can just choose between different channels. Now, when I'm going to click this arrow here, I can go to server settings. First, you get overview, server region. If you got like AFK channel, and like it's really easy. Then you have roles here, and these are really important that everyone can see these roles. And you can create a new role. Let's name it admin. And role color, let's change it to, I know, purple. And then we can choose, this is going to be administrator. Then you can choose a different role and name it manager. Move regions, manage roles, permission, create new roles, and edit old roles. Okay, and manage channels. So, and they can also kick members and ban members, and manage nicknames and manage emojis. So you can like choose different thing that he can do, right? So save changes, and I'm going to choose him like yellow color. And I mean, this stuff, they do like took you like 5 minutes to explain. I think you can read and you can understand like, okay, you can choose different positions on Discord server, right? So, okay, when we have it, we got emojis, and you can upload your emoji. It's really up to you. And then you have a moderation, but must be under 256 kilobytes in size, all right? Moderation, verification level. And now you have option like, okay, on the server for longer than minutes, or low, must verified email on their Discord. I think this is enough. If you're gonna have a like big channel, big server, I recommend going with medium or with this one flipping table. So automatically scan and delete media saying the server that contains explicit content. I recommend going with scan media content from members without role, that when you have admins, you don't need to. And this like 2FA requirement for moderation, I mean, you can do it, but it's not necessary. Audit log, okay, what happens? Really easy. Integrations. You can connect your Twitch or YouTube account. Okay, they're like webhooks and widgets that you can enable. And then you have members. And now you can add role. It's quite simple, right? So you got admin, you got manager, and I'm going to insert admin here, and I can just easily cancel it, or I'm going to add manager. Then you got invites and bans if you banned someone. So this is how you create a server. When I go click escape, and you just manage everything. And you can also add role like here. It's really up to you. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you, have a great day, and see ya. Goodbye.